And back to me. So, alright, so today is day 2 of Astricon, and viewers, welcome. So we are at a new booth. So this is this is OpenLine Networks. You can see over there. And I'm with
Dan Beckman.
Beckman of Redline. So he's going to tell us.
No, not Redline. OpenLine Networks. Sorry. Thank you. OpenLine Networks.
Sorry, sorry about that. Okay. Long day.
No problem. Me too. All right.
Okay, OpenLine Networks. All right. So Dan will talk a little bit about what the company does and show us the wonderful robot. All right.
Okay. Well, let's start with Bob. This is Bob. Say hi. If you look close, you can see it's a robot controlled with a video phone. And if you roll right over here, Bob's creator, John Beckman, sitting at our booth, the Chief Technical Officer of OpenLine Networks, is the proud creator of Bob. And what Bob is just an example of anything being possible with our product, the embedded PBX called UPBX.
So maybe we can turn around. So we can turn around and show him the UPBX?
Yeah, he's wearing one of them right now as a backpack. And what UPBX is a embedded Asterisk PBX running a CentOS 5 server on open platform with Asterisk 1.4 and free PBX. So what he's done is he's integrated the CentOS 5 server to control 2 motors on Bob, and he drives around and he's controlled with a video phone on the other side. So maybe,
Dan, can you show us, like, maybe how does the camera work with over there? I mean, how does the two sync and...
Yeah. Okay, so if you, I don't know, the camera might not pick up the big screen in the booth there.
Maybe you can take a look at the big screen.
But if you see on the big screen is us right here. Hello. So back at home base, everybody sees what Bob sees as he wanders around the floor. All right? And what you see on Bob is the wonderful OpenLine Networks booth and Bob's creator, John Beckman. Quite proud, quite proud. Bob was actually finished at 1:30 a.m. last night coming out of the code zone here at Asterisk. He had some slight modifications to be made to the physical structure and some more programming to be done. He's far from finished. We welcome anybody's help, of course, but he's been a wonderful addition to the OpenLine Networks team.
So, but anyway, Dan, so why this? Why a mobile robot like this, and how does your product commercially sell? I mean, what are you targeting?
Okay, well, first of all, a robot is really cool. Okay, so they're asking why a robot is kind of a silly question because it should be self-evident. Nonetheless, why create a robot? Well, yes, we want to put publicity and interest around our product. In that, unlike a really locked down PBX product that you can only put a certain number of phones on and all this, we've packaged Asterisk up into a wonderful platform that you can put unlimited extensions on, run up to 30 simultaneous calls that are not transcoded, and just really kind of build a whole business model around the UPBX.
So, but the thing is, there's so many embedded PBXs. There is VDX40 from Technical. There is the WAP appliance over there by Pika, and Digim has one. So why a fourth one?
Why another one? Because I wanted it to be smaller and I wanted it to be cheaper. Okay, that's the first reason. The entry level retails at $499, so that's going to be extremely aggressive in the market. The second reason is to put it onto a platform that can accept a full install of CentOS 5. Of a Linux environment that can be used for development and just very flexible, rather than locking it down into a web interface that only does this and only does this.
So Naveen, maybe you can do a close-up of the box, and maybe you can tell us a little bit more about what each is.
Sure. Okay, so what we have, it's a pure IP product. You can see that there's no analog whatsoever included on the product. We have 3 interfaces: a WAN internet, one that's labeled IP phone and one that's labeled PC data. The difference being this port actually receives precedence over this one in terms of priority on the network if you choose to separate IP phones from data. Otherwise, plug them all in together and it will do software QoS. So very basic, we're a one-product company. We distribute Grand Streams, analog gateway if you do need FXO connectivity, and 2 brands of IP phone, all through our website.
So maybe you can tell us a little bit about a company. How many people are you guys, and when did you start, and why you guys are doing this in particular? Sure.
Okay, we're a brand new company doing a launch right here at Astricon on this project. John Beckman is actually my brother. We've been doing this for about 4 years, doing custom projects for big enterprise customers, all with the dream of launching a real product that would kind of change the market and really establish us as a force in IP communications. So how big are we? Honestly, we have 5 people that work for us at OpenLine Networks in technical resources, sales, and support.
So where are you based?
Based in the Washington, D.C. area, in Northern Virginia.
So thank you, Dan.
Okay.
And let's say thank you.
He's a 6th employee, so he gets 2 drink cards at the bar. So.
Attention! It is now 6.
All right. Thank you.
The database is clustered, and you've got a bulletproof range.